Alright, this is the next video. You should be seeing this on your radar very soon. I took this and made the video for you, but now I'm going to tell you about this next video that's going to occur to you, and I hope you enjoy this. This is Roosevelt Davis of the Just Smells So Good Company. I'm your host, and this is about customers and clients. What is the difference? Let's get harder. Let's get started. Let's get harder. Ooh, boy. What a smile, what a smile. We're working that new light, y'all. We're working that new light. New light, new light, new light. All right. Got a new book, 10X. Grant Cardone, if you know about him. Check him out. Check his channel out. This will write some list of things down to keep me focused on my daily journey of growing as a business owner. So, look at here. What's the difference from a customer and a client? So we're gonna go. I'm gonna walk you through this, and the reason why I'm saying this, so you can understand how to grow your business as a profitable business, as a business owner, because actually you're gonna have to be profitable in this day and age, and how important the customer or client will define you. Definition. Let's go with that. Define. Okay. Customer define. A person or organization that buys goods or service from a store or a business. All right. Similar. Shopper, consumer, buyer, purchase, patron, or client. So listen. Okay, all those are a part of it, right? But here's what I like the most. A person, individual, or creator, fellow, man, woman, or sort. So I like clients, define client. It's almost similar, but it's not similar. A person, organization using the service of a lawyer, other professional person, or company. A person receiving social or medical services. A nation that is dependent on another more powerful nation. That's what it's defined of, right? A desktop computer or workstation that is capable of obtaining information application from a server. A program that's capable of obtaining a service provided by another program. What I'm getting at, a client is similar to a customer, but it's not. All those actions that I just mentioned to you by a client is repeatable, right? A repeat action. That means you're going to need that person, and that person going to need you as a repeat business. Many times when we get a customer, some of us get a one action client. Is that good? It's good for the capital to bring into your pocket, but it's not good because it's not repeatable. Each action that I choose to do in business is a repeatable action. Here's what I do. I sell you a product, right? Then I offer you a service, a book, a course, and other. The product got to be so awesome that you want to go to continue to be a client. That means you will use other services that's in the network, other than like some things that I offer. If you are a client, you're going to use those services, and hopefully you grow into owning your own business one day. But a customer is trying you out. They're trying different customers out. Like lately, I've been trying different barbers and see what type of haircut is going to be beneficial. What I look for is artistry, creativity, sanitation, on time, customer service. I look for all those, but without them being aware of it. And that's what your customer is looking for you. I just recently had a customer. She comes, I see her probably once every year. She is a client. She's been buying for more than 15 years. And just recently, I just had a young man that's called me just recently, and he is another repeat business, and I haven't seen him in 5 years. Now, why is that? Why is that action so important for him and others? And I have had other people buy books. I have had them buy customer. They bought consultation. They have come to the seminars, and they have purchased the Flea Market Money course ahead of time. Because when you build from the customer aspect and you bring them over to the client aspect, they know they gain trust into you. Without trust, guess what? Your business will never grow in a scalable action for you to grow as a business, a long-term business. With that said, how would this help you? Some of you are looking at me and you are already business owners. You made a concerned action to become a business owner. Some of you have purchased from me, or you have learned from me, or you are sitting on the walls ready to take action to become a business owner. I applaud you. Whoever you choose to become a business owner with, though, make sure that person have your best interest in hand. Just recently, Deshaun, his name Deshaun gave me a great flavor to introduce. And I will be introducing that very soon. It's called Pumpkin Marshmallow from BBW, Bath and Body Works. And some of you don't know, Bath and Body Works is going out of business. And then other similar business, small businesses are going out of business each and every year. A lot of small businesses are going out of business because of the coronavirus. Some of them wasn't aware they didn't have 2 or 3 incomes. They only focus on one type of streams of income, which I do not believe in, because I told you what had happened with me. In 2008, 2009, I had the biggest loss of real estate asset of $300,000. Check that video out. It might tell you a little bit more. But my fragrance business was my hobby. It was a business that threw off cash flow that I didn't take too much serious knowledge of it. I just enjoyed it. That I played golf with each and every day. I went to all different cities and played golf off the fragrance business. And you know how expensive golf is. If you are a golfer, if you have ever been a golfer, you know how expensive golf is. So when that occurred, the fragrance business, me being out here just selling fragrances and using fragrances, saved my entire company. It saved my family future. It saved pay rents. It put gas in the car. It did more than one thing for us. And that's what I want from you. That's what I want for you. You know, you may endeavor and go into the business of food and be very successful. You may be going into a law firm and be very successful. You may become a doctor and be very successful, engineer or more. But with that said, while you're doing that, you need to have cash flow. You must have cash flow. I'm in the vitamin business, and I realized something about the vitamin business that I didn't share. That vitamins are a repeatable business. Even though it helps my nutritional body, it helps me, my nuclear system works. Another business that was that I'm into is something when it's hot. My son and I and my other business partner are in the tasty frozen honey cup business, like popsicles in a cup. That's a repeatable business. People want to love sweet stuff when it's hot. They love to enjoy it, and it's a repeatable business every year. How we knew that during the wintertime, it became even more clear that we was in the right business. A touchy subject that I have, and I've been trying to push this other business, creditcorrectionrepair.com. Great company. Great company. But my fears for that company or organization that people are having so much trouble paying the basic bill, they really don't care about correcting their credit. Now, you might be down here and you might be watching the video. If that is the truth, go down below. But I believe they still need to get their credit correct. It may not be a business that's going to be a profitable business for me at the present time, but that is to be seen right now in the future. I really want most of y'all, I want you to look clear into yourself. I used to be in the flea market 20 years ago, and I believe the flea market is the best startup business that you could ever have. I mean, best education to start a business. I'm starting the course, right? And the course is going to be amazing. For $169, you're going to get that type of information to make some clarity to grow your business and your wealth. You're going to grow a business in a way that no one has ever shown you in the flea market. And then you can escalate that business here on the online market, or you can open your own store. See, it's like a sampler system. You're getting ready to sample your business for the most affordable price possible. You have clear, precise knowledge if your business is going to work whatsoever. You're going to have competition up the yin-yang. You're going to have to learn how to sell your business. You're going to have to sell you at the amazing platform of now. Because right now, like I said in one video, we're facing double inflation, y'all. We're facing double inflation, and many businesses are unemployment is not paying the people who are unemployed. By the way, some of them thought they were going to receive $600 to $800, right? Let's face it. They quit their job to get more money to sit home when they should have went to work and start creating. This is the opportunity time to create. Even during the coronavirus, protect yourself. But this is the opportunity time to get online and to start a business today. Now today, what I'm going to offer you today is 3 books. And I think you should go on Amazon and get them. Business Hustle, right? Education of sales, marketing, everything all in one. 13 amazing chapters you can get for $8.99 today. God create cash flow. He does. He makes the money rain in your pocket. If you're a believer, if you have faith, he rain on the sinners. He rain on the saints. But if you believe and be obedient to his name and be careful about your money will grow. Flea Market Money, the course. The book is just a simple. It's just something that, hey, if you can't afford $169, $8.99 will take you there. Let's face it. And the 10-10 rule of perpetual money. Hey, all of y'all, I want you to have a great day. Please subscribe, make a comment, share this information with all your friends and family, and get ready, customer or client. Put your comments down below. Let us know what we can do and help you with. Peace.